Hi, welcome back to Kind Finder channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix contrast on Mac. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Is the display on your MacBook looking too dark, too bright, or showing strange contrast that makes everything difficult to see? If you are expecting contrast issue on your MacBook, don't worry, you're in the right place. So you can follow this step by step in the video to fix your contrast on your MacBook. So it's very simple. First of all, to fix your contrast on MacBook, you can go to your system preferences or settings on your MacBook. After that, you can go to accessibility. From accessibility, you can go to display, and in here you can adjust your contrast. In here you'll find there is an option display contrast. So for normal, if you want to high contrast, you can slide this, you can adjust to right. But if you want to make your contrast on MacBook go normal, you can just adjust to left like this. So here's the place where you can manage your contrast on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? Like this or like this. So you can just go to your system preferences on your MacBook and go to accessibility and go to display, and here's you can just manage, you can adjust your contrast on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix MacBook contrast. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!